Yes, my dears, I'm a bit late today. Actually, 11th માં એટલું બધું સરસ કામ વધી ગયું છે બચ્ચા parties with cross grace of God, blessings of parents, as you know, and well wishes of you all. થોડુંક ઓફિસમાં જવું પડે છે સવારે સવારે. Fine. I have selected so many examples. I think 39 pages, at least 56 or 57 examples. Today I want to do as many examples as possible to create your confidence, and we have selected today the topic trigonometry. That is your 11 trigonometry, that is height, distance, multiples, submultiples, addition formula, so, factor formula, your inverse trigonometry, everything that you have studied till date. Okay, and these examples were asked in your JEE. મેં બાજુમાં લખેલું છે તમને દેખાય તો JEE 2014 or JEE 2000 whatever. Yes, this is JEE 2014. So examples are damn easy. The only thing that I want to make a highlight is nothing to worry about. The only thing is practice. As you do practice, that's fine. એટલે આજે કલાક સુધી લગભગ અત્યારે મારી પાસે રેકોર્ડિંગ ટાઈમમાં 3:30 થયા છે. 4:30 સુધી હું કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી લેક્ચર લેવાનો. જેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ વધારે થાય એટલા કવર કરું છું, થોડાક સ્કીપ કરું છું. મને એમ લાગશે કે ના અત્યારે નહીં, ઇટ ટેક્સ ટાઈમ, સો દેટ વિલ ઇન્ક્રીઝ યોર કોન્ફિડન્સ. અને પહેલાં આપણે કર્યું તેવી રીતે બાકીના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ કરી લઈશું. ફાઇન, ડન. લેટ સ્ટાર્ટ વિથ ધ થિંગ્સ. બહુ ટાઈમ નથી બગાડતા. fkx is this f. Okay, I observe the nature of fkx. I want to find out f4x minus f6x. I need not write f4x, f6x. I just write down not equal to even. Not equal to I don't write. f4x matlab 1 upon 4 s raised to 4 plus c raised to 4 minus f6 matlab 1 upon 6 s raised to 6 plus c raised to 6. One beautiful formula that you must be knowing about s raised to 4 plus c raised to 4 is 1 minus 2 sine square cos square, and this is 1 minus 3 sine square cos square. We did it in 11th also. If you split this 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, let me write down 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2 sine square cos square plus 1 by 2 sine square cos square gone. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. If you take LCM, your LCM is 12. This is 3 minus 2, so answer will be 1 upon 12. હમણાં જ મેં કહ્યું ને 2014 માં પૂછાયો છે question. So it is easy. We go for this. A bird is sitting on the top of blah blah blah. Come on. A bird is sitting on the top of vertical pole 20 meter high, and its elevation from a point on the ground is 45 degrees. So this is the thing. I want to draw that diagram carefully. Okay, a bird sitting on the top of a vertical pole is 20 meter high. So this is 20 meter. This is, I think, and its elevation from point O is 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree. આગળ વાંચીએ. It flies off horizontally straight away from point O. Okay, it goes like this. After 1 second, yes not after 1 second, after 1 second the elevation of the bird from O reduced to 30 degree. Okay, this reduces to 30 degree. That is what they say. All right, this is 30 degree. Okay, then I go for this diagram. Suppose this height is, this is also 20, because this is 20, this is also 20. Suppose this is your x and suppose this is your y. You can immediately tell me, for this right angle triangle, your tan 45 degree is 20 upon x. So your x equals to 20, as your tan 45 is 1. What is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 20 upon x plus y. See, if you have noticed, I don't write x, I just write down 20. That implies tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, that goes on right hand side, so that will be 20 root 3. This is 20 plus y, so y is 20 root 3 minus 20, 20 common, 20 into root 3 minus 1. તમને એમ થાય આન્સર આવી ગયો. વેઇટ બચ્ચાસ, તમને ડિસ્ટન્સ નથી પૂછ્યું, વાંચો ક્વેશ્ચન. આફ્ટર 1 સેકન્ડ, the elevation of the board from O reduces to 30 degree. The speed of the board, you are not asked to find out distance. This is what you are discussing. This is distance that you have found. Speed is distance upon time. Distance is this upon time is 1 second. So fortunately the answer is 20 into root 3 minus 1. Is that clear? So we go for question number 3. This is frequent. This was asked in JEE 2013 bachas. 10a. Can I replace it by sin A upon something plus cos A upon something? Yeah. Okay then. What is your denominator? 1 minus cot A. I rewrite this as cos A upon sin A. That sin A comes in numerator and that 10a is sin A upon cos A. Same way here, 1 minus sin A upon cos A. That cos A comes in numerator and this cot A matlab cos A upon sin A. Hope you don't mind, dears. Ultimately you will have sin square A upon cos A into sin A minus cos A. Hope you understand. This is cos square A upon sin A into cos A minus sin A. I rewrite after taking LCM. Let me take LCM. This is C minus S. This is S minus C. I take S minus C. So this will be minus in between. This cos A will be here. That is cos cube. S will be here. So it is S cube and SC. Hope you understand, dears. Fine then. S cube minus C cube has two factors. S minus C. I don't even factorize. I just observe the factor and I just cancel out. S minus C cancel. You are left with S square plus SC plus C square upon SC. SC upon SC will be 1. S square plus C square matlab 1. 1 upon sin cos matlab sec cosec. And x k A. So this is A. So sec A cosec A plus 1. Yes, it is here. So that was also easy. Okay, so that was question 3. We go for question 4. That was asked in 2012. Okay, we go for this. In triangle PQR, 3 sin P plus 4 cos Q equal and 4 sin Q. Then the acute angle R is equal to. Acute angle chokku puchu je tamne. See, if you observe carefully, 3 sin P and 3 cos P. If I square and add 9 sin square P plus 9 sin square cos square Q will be 1. So I just, that's why add and square and add. So this square plus this square will be 9. This square plus this square will be 16. Here the middle term will be 4 3s are 12 2s are 24 sin P cos Q. Here the middle term will be 4 3s are 12 2s are 12 cos P sin Q. Right inside 36 plus 1 will be 37. Got it now? We square both the sides and we add the equations. So 24, this is 4 is are 12, 2 is are 24. I'm sorry, dear. 24 sin P cos Q plus cos P sin Q is sin P plus Q is equal to 37 minus 25 will be what? If you can help me. 37 minus 25, that is 12. So sin P plus Q, which is sin pi minus R. Because we are in triangle PQR, so that is 1 by 2. Sin pi minus R is sin R. Sin R is 1 by 2, matlab R is either pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. You know that in first quadrant sin is positive as well as second quadrant also sin is positive. But here the angle is acute, so I go for pi by 6. So here we have one more example that was asked in 2011. Chalse. Okay, done. Sin square x plus cos square cos is to 4x. You should have one thing that you have to remember. You should have always function. Only one function, not functions. નહીં શું પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય હું તમને સમજાવું. See, this is sin square x plus cos square x. તમે એમ કહો કે એની મેક્સિમમ વેલ્યુ 1, એની મેક્સિમમ વેલ્યુ 1, તો એ બંનેની મેક્સિમમ વેલ્યુ 1 plus 1 will be 2, but that is not true. You know that sin square x plus cos square x is always 1. Remember this? Yes or no? Fine. So depends, functions depend on each other, so you should have only one function. Okay, and if you involve two functions, then remember those two functions must be independent. A higher level पर आवश्यक ત્યારે नहीं આવે. Cos raised to 4x. Can I rewrite this as sin square मतलब x square, cos raised to 4x मतलब cos square x the whole square, cos square x मतलब 1 minus sin square x. This is 1 minus 2s square plus s square मतलब minus s square plus s raised to 4. S मतलब sin x. I write this as s square minus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 by 4. I hope you understand. We try to make perfect square. We divide the coefficient of this by half and we get it. And if you are not happy, you can expand. Well, what do you know about s square? S square always lies between, sin square x always lies between 0 and 1. So s square minus half. So s square minus half I subtract throughout minus half. So s square minus half lies between minus half and plus half. But we are interested in square. So squaring both the sides. So 0 less than or equal to s square minus half the whole square is less than or equal to 1 by 4. See, if I square, the square will be positive. Okay. Then I add 3 by 4 throughout. So this is plus 3 by 4. This is plus 3 by 4. This is plus 3 by 4. So this is going to be 3 by 4. This is going to be 1. So your A lies between 3 by 4 and 1. Yes, dears. So that was question 5. We go for question 6 here. It was asked in 2011. The possible values of there's a theta such that this happens. તરત જ તમને સ્ટ્રાઇક થઈ જવું જોઈએ. If I combine first and last, it will be s plus s मतलब 2cs. 2 cos this plus this, that is 8 theta by 2, that is 4 theta. This minus this, that is 6 theta by 2, that is sin 3 theta. Yes, now you tell me. Sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, cos 3 theta plus sin 4 theta equals to 0. Well, sin 4 theta common, yeah, and cos 3 theta, 2 cos 3 theta plus 1 equals to 0. So either sin 4 theta is 0 or cos 3 theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Now again watch where your theta belongs to. Your theta belongs to 0 to pi. Okay, theta belongs to 0 to pi. So 4 theta belongs to 0 to 4 pi. In 4 pi, 0, if I complete one circle and if I come at 2 pi, sin 4 theta will be 0 only at 3 pi. So this 4 theta is 3 pi. If I complete again, this will be 2 pi also. Of course 2 pi, 3 pi. Yeah, 0, no, 0, no, pi. Okay, pi is also there. 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and that's it. So theta will be pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi by 4. Let me see, do you have any option with only this? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 4. If you can help me find pi by 2, pi by 4, pi by 2, pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. આમાં બી છે pi by 2, pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 are in option D also. Pi by 2, pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. Oh, બધામાં એ છે જ એટલે we go first. Cos 3 theta equals to, careful bachas, it is easy but હવે મહેનત તો કરવી પડશે. 3 theta, theta belongs to 0 to pi, so 3 theta belongs to 0 to 3 pi. So I go for that also carefully. તમે કહેશો પાછા સાહેબ ક્યાં ગયા? ક્યાંય નહીં જવાના સાહેબ. ચલો, 0. Cos theta is negative in these two quadrants if you recall. That is when 3 theta is pi minus pi by 3 or pi plus pi by 3. You got it, na? Your cos theta will be minus half because at pi by 3 cos becomes half. 3 pi, you have to complete this rotation once and then half rotation. So 3 pi minus pi by 3 also will give me minus half. So theta will be pi minus pi by 3 will be 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 9 because I have to divide by 3 also. 4 pi by 3 by 3, that is 4 pi by 9. 9 minus 1, that is 8 pi by 3, that is 8 pi by 9. Let me see these also. 2 pi 2, 4, 8. Okay. 248. Yes, this is my correct answer. Correct? Done? તમારા સમ ના લાગ્યો કે સાહેબ તમારા સમ. AIEEE 2010 was asked cos alpha plus beta is 4 by 5, cos alpha minus beta is 5 by 13. થોડીક જગ્યા ઓછી છે, so I leave it. હું તમને એટલી હિન્ટ આપું. Can you find out tan alpha plus beta? Yes. Cos alpha is 4 by 5. Alpha plus beta. Cos alpha plus beta is 4. See, alpha plus beta lies between 0 and pi by 2. Hope you understand. So tan alpha plus beta is positive. Cos alpha plus beta is 4 by 5. So sin alpha plus beta is 3 by 4. Cos alpha minus beta is 5 by 13. So tan alpha minus beta is 12 by 5. Got my point? And how do I proceed? tan 2 alpha. મને doubt છે કે આમાં મારાથી ક્વેશ્ચન્સમાં ઓપ્શન ખોટા લખાયા હતા, પણ I go for it. tan 2 alpha. tan 2 alpha मतलब alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. ઓકે, મોસ્ટ પ્રોબેબલી આન્સર કદાચ નેગેટિવ પણ આવે એવું મને ડાઉટ જાય છે, પણ ન આવવો જોઈએ. tan alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. So minus beta plus beta will be cancelled and you will have 2 alpha. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus y. Yes, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y, and you can find out value of alpha tan 2 alpha. Yes my dears, મને ડાઉટ હજુ પણ છે જ, હું જાઉં છું, ભલે આગળ જાઉં છું અત્યારે. tan alpha plus beta is 3 by 4. tan alpha minus beta is 12 by 5. Okay, and this into this, 4 3s are 12 if I go for, and this will be 9 by 5. Yes, અને આન્સર નેગેટિવ આવે છે, અને આમાંથી એક પણ ઓપ્શન નેગેટિવ નથી. પણ I complete the example. કદાચ ભૂલ હોઈ શકે, દરેક વખતે જરૂરી નથી કે મારી ભૂલ ન જ પડે, કોઈક વાર મારી ભૂલ બી પડે. This is 3 5s are 15, 12 4s are 48, and then this will be 4 into minus 4, so it will be minus 16, and this will be 63 minus. Yes, એટલે ક્યાંક કંઈક આવું છે, મને ડાઉટ હતો જ કંઈક, પણ હું ફરી એકવાર જોઈ લઈશ. તમને ડાઉટ પકડાય તો જોઈ લેજો જરાક, મારું I will be happy. 7 question was that, we go for 8. Yes, it is here. Your A and B denote that this is your statement A, this is your statement B. This is given to us, and let's read this. A is true, B is false, A is false, and B is true. Well, I ask you always, when can I say that alpha is 0 and beta is 0? This is possible only if alpha square plus beta square is 0. Yes my dears, so I go for it. If I can prove that it is 0, then I can say that alpha is 0 as well as beta is 0. So this square, so I go for c plus c plus c the whole square, s plus s plus s the whole square. This is smart work. We don't go for cos alpha the whole square. આપણી પાસે એટલો ટાઈમ નહીં હોય. Cos square plus sin square will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. All middle terms I write here. એક જ લખું છું એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવે. Cos alpha 2 cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha cos beta, and here you will have sin alpha sin beta, and remaining two terms will be like this. I did not write even in exam 3 plus 2. What is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta? That is cos alpha minus beta, cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha, and that is given to us, that is minus 3 by 2. So 3 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2, 2 to cancel, 3 minus 3 will be 0. So yes, it is true that alpha square plus beta square is 0, matlab as well as A is 0, B is 0. So both A and B are true. So that was true. Question number 9 I go for, that is your from 12th trigonometry, inverse trigonometry, cot of cosec inverse. Well, if I want to apply formula, both must be tan inverse. So this is sin inverse 3 by 5, which is tan inverse 3 by 4. So that is cot tan inverse, direct લઈએ છે, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. Remember dears, that is cot of tan inverse of 3 is 9 plus 4 is 8 upon 4 is 12 into half, that is 6. That is cot. I can directly convert this tan inverse in terms of cot inverse and reciprocal of this, that is 6 upon 17. So yes, this is your answer. So that was question number 9. We go for question number 10. Height and distance વાળો example છે એવું લાગે છે. Yes, it છે. AB is a vertical fold that with B at the ground level and A at the top level. Okay. Simultaneously we will name the points. This is B. Okay. A man finds the angle of elevation of a point A from certain point C on the ground is 60 degree. He moves away from the pole along the line BC. Got it, no? This is some point. A man finds the angle of elevation of the point A from certain point C on the ground is to be 60 degree. He moves away from the pole along line BC to point CD is 7 from D. The angle of elevation is now 45 degrees. So it decreases. For equal question વાંચો બેટા શાંતિથી. AB is a vertical fold with B at the ground level, blah blah blah. A man finds the angle of elevation of a point A from certain point C on the ground is 60 degree. Okay. So this is 60 degree. ડાયાગ્રામ બહુ જ કેરફુલી બનાવવો જોઈએ, હું એવું માનું છું કે જેથી તકલીફ ના પડે. This is 60 degree and this is your C. He moves away from the pole along the line BC to a point CD is equal to 7. Okay. And from D, okay, he moves along this. Okay, and now the angle of elevation is 45 degree. This is what they say. And CD is 7. Is it okay? Fine. This is suppose height of the pole. Okay, so this is your H. Clear? This was asked in 2008. Okay, થોડોક lengthy example થાય એવું દેખાય છે, પણ it is okay. I can go for it. Tan 45 degree. Suppose this is X. Tan 45 degree is H upon 7 plus X. Tan 45 degree is H upon X plus 7 and tan 60 degree is H upon X. What you want to get, if you observe carefully, you want height of the pole, that is you want to find out H. You don't want X. Okay. So I make your X subject. Your X plus 7 equals to H. So X equals to H minus 7. We go for tan 60 degree, which is root 3. Okay. So root 3 X is H minus 7 equals to H. Say ha. So this is 7 root 3 is equal to 7 root 3 goes on right inside. Root 3 minus 1H. Or H equals to 7 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. કદાચ usually લોકો LCM લઈ લેતા હોય છે. They don't want irrational number in denominator. So I go for 7 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 or upon 2. Okay. Or they can write this as 7 these are 21 plus 7 root 3 upon 2. Let me hope કે આમાંથી એક આન્સર અંદર મૂક્યો જ હોય એ લોકોએ. 7 root 3 upon 2 into root 3 plus 1. Fortunately it is option C if you observe. 7 root 3 upon 2 plus into root 3 plus 1. 7 root 3 upon 2 into root 3 plus 1. એટલે question ભલે 1 મિનિટ નહીં પણ અડધી મિનિટ મોડો થાય. You should read question carefully, bachcha. This is what my advice is. That is 10 hopefully. Yes. Now we go for 11. Sin inverse plus cosec inverse is pi by 2. તમને ખબર છે pi by 2 આવે એટલે I have to convert this in terms of inverse. Sin inverse x by 5 plus this is sin inverse 4 by 5, that is cos inverse 3 by 5 equals to pi by 2, and these two must be same, so x equals to 3. Okay, no more calculation, nothing. Oh, one more of your height and distance. A tower stands at the center of the circular park. चलो टावर ऊपर कर दी. Okay, then what? AB are 2 points on the boundary of a park. Okay, we go for making the boundary. Uh, I hope I can draw it nicely. I'm not drawing it to do Saraswati, but I'm trying. This is your A and B are 2 points on the. This is at the center, so I can observe that this is radius as well as this is also radius. है ना? Okay. आकर वांचिए. चलो. A tower stands at the center of a circular park. A and B are 2 points on the boundary of a park such that AB equals to A. Okay, then let me say that this is your A. It subtends angle 60 degree at the foot of the tower. Okay, this is 60 degree. Fine. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from A or from B is 30 degree. Okay, then this is it seems it is right angle, but it is not. It is 30 degree. Okay, the height of the tower, so that is your h. I hope this is clear, bachas. Yep. Okay, I go for again. This is 10-30 degree. For this, of course, this will be right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse, and 10-30 degree is opposite upon the radius, that is h upon r. So you can observe that your r equals to root 3h. Hope it is okay. One more thing that I want. What is the height of the tower? Okay, can you find out some relation between r and a? Yes, you can. Come on. What is 1060 degree? 1060 degree for this right angle is this is not right angle. It seems it is not right angle. So fine, we go for it. Yes, bachas. 1060 degree does not work, but I have one beautiful thing in my brain that I can go for cos 60 degree. For this right angle triangle, and actually information we should use it. Cos 60 degree, the 60 degree is the angle between these two sides, that is radius, that is r square plus r square minus a square upon 2rr. You remember this formula, right? Cos 60 degree is half, so half cancel and you are left with r square equals to 2r square minus a square. So a square equals to r square. Your h equal to r by root 3. R and a are both positive, so r by root 3 matlab a by root 3. So your height of the tower is 8 by root 3. Fine, dears. So we go for your 13. Okay, this was asked in 2006. The number of values of x in this interval such that this happens. 2 sine square plus 5 minus 3 equals to 0. Well, 2 3s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So I go for 6s minus s. 2s minus 1 into s plus 3 equals to 0. Sine cannot be minus 3. So you are left with only s equals to half. If I complete one circle, that will be 0 to 2 pi. Hope you understand. And in first two quadrants only your sign is half. Here your sign is minus half. So once again, if I go for half circle, that is here to here, that will reach till 3 pi. So again you will have two more solutions. So total number of solutions is 4. So that was easy. We go for question number 14. Oh, a triangular park is enclosed on two sides by fence. One more. See, तुमने लोग को maximum distance formula आया. Height and distance examples. Fence and the third side by river, straight river bank. Okay. So I go for it. 2006 again. So these are two sides of your garden, and the third side is close by the river. Let me read it. A triangular park is enclosed on two sides by fence and the third side by straight river bank. The two sides having face are having same length. Okay, so this is your x, this is your x. The maximum area enclosed by the park. I don't know what is this. Yes, my dears. What is that? What is area? They are talking about area. Suppose this is your angle A. they are talking about area, so let me write down delta એટલે તમને confusion ન થાય. Your delta is 1 by 2 bc sin a. Remember, b is x, your c is x, so delta is half x square sin a. Now you tell me what is the maximum. See, I want maximum area. What is maximum value of sin a? Maximum value of sin a is pi by, sorry, sin pi by 2, that is 1. So maximum area will be x square by 2. Yes, it is here. So that is done. Okay, we go for question number 15. Oh, 2006. Cos x plus sin x is 1 by 2. Then tan x is what? 0 less than x less than pi. Okay. આમાં ઘણીવાર એવું થતું હોય છે કે તમારા ઓપ્શન 2 આવે 3 આવે અને તમારી પાસે અંદર એક જ ઓપ્શન આપેલો હોય. So we have to go for it. We go for smartness. I divide by cos x. So this is 1 plus tan x is equal to sec x by 2. I take this 2 here. Hope you don't mind. We square both the sides. So 1 plus t the whole square equals to sec square x. Matlab 1 plus tan square x. Clear? Okay then. 4t square minus t square, that is 3t square. 2t into 4, that is 8t. 4 minus 1, that is 3. અહીંયા minus હોત તો બહુ સારું થાત. I have factors પણ અત્યારે નથી. We go for t. T equals to minus 8 plus or minus b plus or minus help of discriminant. b square matlab 64 minus 4 ac, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 2a, that is this is also 3. Done. એટલે એટલું ચોક્કસ કે આ બંને તો આન્સર જતા જ રહ્યા. Okay, I go for minus 8 plus or minus. I take 4 out, so this will be 2. 16 minus 9, so this will be 6. So minus 8. Oh, let me divide by 2. I can. Minus 4 plus or minus root 7 by 3. 4 minus root 7. This is not possible. આ બંને તો હતા જ નહીં. So this is the answer. Let's see. If I choose minus 4 plus root 7. Yes. મેં કીધું તમારી પાસે બે ઓપ્શન આવ્યા પણ એક જ ઓપ્શન આપેલો છે. Minus 4 plus root 7. Done? Okay. So that is your question number 15. કદાચ આ એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે વારંવાર ક્લાસમાં બી કરાયેલો છે. I hope it છે. Yes, 2005 નો એ જ સમ છે. We go for it. 10p by 2, 10q by 2 are roots of this equation. You know that alpha beta are roots, then sum of them is minus b by a and product of them is c by a. એવી કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે in which you use 10p by 2 plus 10q by 2. Yes, 10p by 2 plus q by 2 is 10p by 2 plus 10q by 2 upon 1 minus 10p by 2 10q by 2. But 10p by 2 10q by 2 is minus b by a. 1 minus 10p by 2 10q by 2, this is here, that is c by a. Okay, so this will be minus b upon a minus c. But what is p plus q by 2? This is p plus q by 2. Your angle r is pi by 2. The sum of other two angles has to be pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 by 2, that is 10 pi by 4. So I directly write down this is 1. So minus b equals to a minus c. So a plus b equals to c. I must have this equation. A plus b equals to c. Yes, it is here. So that is question number 16. Yes, dears? Okay. We go for question number 17. Measure angle c is pi by 2. Okay, if r is the radius and capital R is circumradius, then 2 times r plus r. Okay, 2r વાળું એક રિલેશન તો sin formula છે જ. What is c upon sin capital C? 2r. But sin capital C, that is sin pi by 2, that is 1. So c equals to 2r. એક result મને મળી ગયું છે. So I will use that 2r equals to c. I try to find out your small r. Well, I know that r equals to s minus c tan c by 2. This is a formula, if you recall. मैं तुम्हें z वाली में 11th में लखाई थी. Okay, so this is s minus c. C is pi by 2, so this is 10 pi by 2 by 2. 10 pi by 4 is 1. So this is r, but I need 2r. So 2r equals to 2s minus 2c. If you observe बच्चास આ formula ના આવડે એટલે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ થઈ જાય. Careful રહેજો હો. I go for adding both the results. 2r plus 2 capital R equals to 2s minus 2c plus c, that is 2s minus c. But 2s is a plus b plus c, minus c will be cancelled and you are left with a plus b. So that was again easy. Yeah, we go for now your question number 18. Cos inverse minus cos inverse. Now you must know this comes again and again. You must remember this formula. Cos inverse alpha minus cos inverse beta is cos inverse alpha beta plus root. This is 1 minus alpha square 1 minus beta square. It behaves like cos alpha plus beta, okay, or cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, okay. So here it will give me cos inverse x into y by 2 minus root equals to alpha, that is 1 minus x square 1 minus y square by 4. આમાંથી ઘણા બધા sums આપણે 11 માં કર્યા છે. I take this cos on right hand side and then this will be xy by 2. I take this cos alpha on left hand side and I take these 2 on right hand side. So it will give us root, okay, 1 minus x square 1 minus y square by 4. તમારો આન્સર આવતો જાય છે. If you have noticed, I try to, yes, I square both the sides. So x square y square by 4 minus cos square alpha minus 2 cancel and xy cos alpha is equal to, if I square and if I open the bracket, you can observe that 1 minus s square minus y square by 4 plus x square y square by 4. But x square y square by 4 gets cancelled. I take these two terms on left hand side, that is x square x square plus y square by 4. This 1 minus cos square x this is plus cos square x cos square alpha. This 1 cos square alpha goes on right hand side. This is minus xy cos alpha, okay. We take LCM, so that is 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square 4 cos 1 minus cos square alpha, that is sin square alpha. So I think this was your left hand side, 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square, 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square, that will be 4 sin square alpha. Can you observe that answer? Yes, it is here. So fine, you are true. Yes, 19. અમુક ક્વેશ્ચન મેં તમે કીધા કે જેમાં એવું લાગશે કે મને it takes time, તો આપણે પછી કરીએ છીએ. મને નથી આવડતા એવું નથી, કરાવી લઈશ ભાઈ. ઓવર. This is beautiful and damn easy. What is s plus s? 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 is minus 21 by 65. C plus c, that is 2cc minus 27 by 65. See, if you recall, in this 2 sin cos you have alpha plus beta by 2, which you don't want according to your requirement, and this cos is with cos alpha minus beta by 2, which I need. So I square and add, so 4 બંને બાજુએ, cos square alpha minus beta by 2 common, and sin square plus cos square will be 1, that is the smart word. 21 square is 441. In denominator 65 square, 6 7s are 4225, and 27 square, that is 729. Okay, so cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is, this is 0, of course this is 4225 into 4, 9 plus 1, that is 0, 4, this is 7, this is 11. I hope you understand. Yes, થોડો એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટિવ થશે પણ that is okay. Cos square alpha minus beta by 2, I know that this is divisible by this is 65 into 4, this is divisible by 13, I'm sure, or this is divisible by 5. So let me write down 5 into 1, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 5 4s are, so at least I can say that this is 5 13s are. Yeah, okay, 2 3 4, is this divisible by 13? Can you observe that? At least it is divisible by 2. So 117 upon, this is 2 into 13 into 65. Yes, 13 9s are, if you recall, 13 9s are, so this is 9 upon 65 to have 130. But alpha minus beta, oh, careful. Alpha minus beta lies between pi and 3 pi. So alpha minus beta by 2 lies between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Matlab either we are in second quadrant or third quadrant. In both the quadrants your cos is negative. So when we take square root, that cos alpha minus beta by 2 will be negative. It will be 3 minus 3 upon root 130. જો આ કન્ડિશન તમે ઓબ્ઝર્વ ન કરી તો તમે આ બી કરી શકો છો. કેરફુલ રહેજો ડિયર્સ, ક્વેશ્ચન વાંચવાનો પોતાના ક્વેશ્ચન પેપરમાંથી. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ગુડ, ઇઝી ઓલ્સો. 2004 JEE પહેલા AIEEE કહેવાતી, ઓલ ઇન્ડિયા એન્ટ્રન્સ એક્ઝામ. ઓકે, એન્જિનિયરિંગ એન્ટ્રન્સ એક્ઝામ. ફોર ધ ટ્રાયંગલ્સ the sides are sin alpha cos alpha 1 plus root of 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha. The side being side, this is positive positive. So 1 plus something positive is always positive and greater than 1. So you can take square root. And obviously this is the highest side if you observe carefully, yeah, because 1 is more than sin and cos. So this will be the highest side. Let me call them A, B and C. If small c is the highest side, the greatest side, then capital C will be the largest angle. I go for formula of cos C a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. I want to find out cos C. Your a square matlab sin square alpha plus cos square alpha minus 1 plus sin alpha cos alpha upon 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Sin square plus cos square is 1 minus 1 cancel. Yes, yes, yes. Minus SC upon 2SC, that is minus half. So you know that cos C equals to cos pi minus pi by 3. Then because of pi, cos remains cos. But in second quadrant cos is negative. And cos is 1 function. So pi minus pi by 3 matlab 2 pi by 3, that is 120 degree. Easy. So that was 21. Oh my goodness. Once again, have you noticed that so many examples from your height and distance? A person standing on, it was asked in 2004, a person standing on a bank of river. Okay, so this is a river and that person is here. Okay, chalo. A person standing on the bank of the river observes that angle of elevation of the top of a tree on the opposite bank of the river is 60 degree. So this is let me draw this tree. It is green and I hope you understand here. This is a tree. છે સામે પણ થોડું ક્રોસમાં બતાવું એટલે તમને ખ્યાલ આવે. This is angle of elevation. This is 60 degree. When he retires 40 meter away from the tree, angle of elevation now becomes 30 degree. Okay, so બાપુ અહીંયા છે હવે અને now angle of elevation is what, 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree. Is it okay? Suppose length is your height તો નહીં કહેવાય, distance d કહી દઈએ, I mean breadth of your river. So you need to find out breadth of the river, that is d only. Is it okay? Suppose height of the tower is h and this is 40 meter. So this is 40 meter. And now you can tell me what is tan 60 degree? Honestly, હું જ્યારે 9th 10th માં હતો ત્યારે મને આ બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સથી બહુ ડર લાગતો, પણ હવે I can play with. Tan 60 degree is of course this is your right angle, so you can help me. Tan 60 degree is h upon this is your d. તમને એમ થાય એ તો ક્રોસમાં જાય છે, d તો સીધું છે. મેં તમને કીધું હતું for convenience I assume that person is here and tree is here. એ બંને opposite જ છે exact. So your h is opposite and d is adjacent. So h upon d. Yes, and tan 30 degree is h upon d plus 40. I hope you understand these also. Why? Bolo. Yes, this is d and this is d plus 40. So let me try to take ratio. This is root 3 upon 1 by root 3. So root 3 upon 1 by root 3. Your h cancel. This is upon d and this is denominator of denominator goes in numerator, that is d plus 40. So this is 3d. 3d equals to d plus 40. I take this d on left hand side. So your 2d equals to 40. So d equals to 20. Easy. Sure? Okay. We go for question number 23. It's here. F is a function from R to S defined by fx equals to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 on 2. Then the interval of S is blank. કયું ચેપ્ટર આવે? ટ્રિગોનોમેટ્રી આવે, ફંક્શન આવે, ઓન ટુ આવે. તમે જોયું કેટલું બધું ભેગું કર્યું છે. Well, on 2. If you want on 2, then the range must be same as your codomain. So what is S? Well, તમને એટલી ખબર છે કે range of a cos x plus b sin x is closed interval minus r to r. Your r is under root a square plus b square, that is 1 plus 3, that is 2. And I have to add 1. So that is minus 2 to 2. As you said, I have to add 1. So this is 1, 1. This is minus 1 to 3. Yes, it is here. Clear? Okay, we go for 24. तुम्हारी टेक्स्ट बुक नो समझे AIEEE 2003 a cos square c by 2 a cos square c by 2 a sorry, this is your c, not a, this is your c cos square a by 2, this is 3b by 2. okay, મને ખબર છે એટલે હું કહી રહ્યો છું. cos square c by 2 is 1 plus cos double by 2 and cos square a by 2 is 1 plus cos double by 2. So 2 common and cancel, and you want to find out ABCR in which progression, geometric progression, arithmetic progression, or blah blah blah. A plus a cos c plus c plus c cos a equals to 3b. You can observe that this is your b by projection formula. That b goes on right hand side, so 2b equals to a plus c. Yes, I can say that they are in AP. This is damn easy. Trigonometric equation sin inverse x equals to 2 sin inverse a has solution if and only if this happens. Well, what do you know about sin inverse x? What is the range of sin inverse x? Yes, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. I replace your sin inverse x by 2 sin inverse a and I divide by 2. So this will be minus pi by 4, this will be pi by 4. In closed interval, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, sine is increasing function. So if I apply sine, inequality is maintained. So this is your a, sine minus pi by 4 is 1 minus 1 by root 2. This is, or mod a is less than or equal to 1 by root 2. કાં તો તમને આ આપ્યું હશે, either you will given this. Yes, it is here. Mod a is less than or equal to 1 by root 2. So that was, oh my, once again. What does your upper 3/4 part of the vertical board do? This is 3/4 h, suppose, and this is your h. Okay, what does that do? It subtends up an angle of tan inverse 3 by 5 at a point of horizontal plane. Okay, so this is tan inverse 3 by 5 and at distance 40. So this is 40 from the foot. A possible height of vertical pole h is blank. Suppose this is your beta. You can help me. What is 10? Okay, what is, let me call it alpha. Hope you don't mind here. What is 10 alpha plus beta? 10 alpha, this is alpha plus beta. 10 alpha plus beta is whole h upon 40. Say yes. H upon 40. What is 10 alpha? You can immediately tell me that 10 alpha is 3 by 5. 10 beta? Yes, 10 beta is h by 40. So I think it is calculative, but it is easy. This is h upon 40. 10 alpha plus 10 beta upon 1 minus 10 alpha 10 beta. 10 alpha is 3 by 5. 10 beta is h upon 40. This is 3h upon 200. Hope you understand. Okay, then I want to find out h. We will remember this. Okay, this is 43 is 120 plus 5h upon 200, which will be cancelled with this, so it will be 200 minus 3h. Your h upon 40. Not that much calculative, it is now easy. 40 into 120, that is 1400 plus 45 are 200h. 200h. Okay, 200h again. Oh, it seems okay. Minus 3h square. બે મિનિટ choose મારી ભૂલ મને પકડાઈ છે. That should be not h, it should be h by 4. So this is 10 alpha plus beta, that is this is h upon 40, that is correct, but 10 beta is h by 4 upon 40, that is h upon 160. So this is not 40, this is 160. So let me correct it carefully. Sorry dears, होता है भैया. h upon 160 upon 3h upon 16 5 800. चलो नालायक બેસી રહ્યા છે. એમ સાહેબને હેલ્પ કરીએ. પેન તમારા હાથમાં છે ને અમને હેલ્પ કરવાનું કહો છો. બેસી તો ના રહેવાય ને, બોલો તો ખરા, મનમાં તો બોલો. 800 minus 3h. If it is okay, let me go for LCM. That is 16 3s are 48, 480 plus 5h. મારું I hope તમે સામે હોત તો મારું ધ્યાન બી દોરત કે સર આ ભૂલ છે. Okay, let's go for it. 14 into this blah blah blah. You can help me darlings, but how? 14 2s are 14 4s are. ચલો બે મિનિટ મૂકી દઈએ. 192 plus 200h equals to 800h minus 3h square. I take everything on left hand side, so 3h square minus 600h plus 19200 equals to 0. Oh, it is calculative. I divide by 3, it has to be, that is 200h plus what, 3 6 are 18 and 3 4s are perfect. I go for some smart work. H minus 100 the whole square equals to what? It is 10,000. So this is 3600. 10,000 minus 3600 will be 6400. I take square root. H minus 100 will be 60 plus or minus 60, of course. So your H equals to 100 plus or minus 60. So either it is 160 or it is 40. Fortunately 40 is there, so we are okay. Thank God. So that was your question number now 27. Cot inverse of root cos alpha minus tan inverse of root cos alpha equals to x. For convenience, I can convert this cot inverse in terms of tan inverse, and I introduce root cos alpha equals to beta. So this is tan inverse 1 upon beta minus tan inverse beta equals to x for convenience. Later on we will replace the beta by root cos alpha. What is tan inverse alpha minus beta? Tan inverse, if I go for LCM, it is 1 minus beta square upon 1 plus 1. પેલો beta ઉપરથી નીચે આવ્યો છે, that is your x. So your tan x equals to 1 minus beta square upon 2 beta. Can you observe your right angle triangle? This is 1 minus beta square upon 2 beta is 10x. So this is definitely 1 plus beta square. Can you immediately tell me what is your sine x? Your sine x is opposite upon hypotenuse. That is 1 minus beta square upon 1 plus beta square. Beta square is cos alpha. જો root cos alpha deal કર્યું કેટલું અઘરું પડ્યું હોત તમને. અત્યારે 1 minus cos alpha upon 1 plus cos alpha, that is tan square alpha by 2. Can you observe that? Yes, it is here. Very first option. So find that was 27. We go for લોચા વાગે છે મારે સ્પેસ આપવામાં લોચા વાગી ગયા છે. Come on. Triangle ABC 2CA. એવી કોઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે જેમાં 2CA આવે? Yes, cos B. Remember what is cos B? A square plus C square minus B square upon 2CA. So I convert this sign in terms of cos by this is minus B. What you are left with? Yes, A plus C. A plus C is again pi minus B. That is 2AC sin pi by 2 minus B. You can tell me that this is cos B. Yeah, cos B is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC, which will be cancelled with this 2AC. So answer left is A square plus C square minus B square. Yes, it is here. A square plus C square minus B square. So that is 28. We go for 29. Okay. Let me go for sine square 4xy. Sine square, you know that sine square theta is always less than or equal to 1. So 4xy is upon this is less than or equal to x plus y the whole square. What is the middle term of x plus y the whole square? 2xy. This goes on right hand side, that is x minus y the whole square, and that is always true except x plus y is equal to 0. So I should say that x plus y is not equal to 0. You got my point? X not equal to 0, y not equal to 0 in each chale. X equals to 2 and y equals to minus 2. They are not 0, but this will be 0. So what is the required condition? X plus y is not equal to 0, because this always happens. So that was 29. This was asked in 2002. How beautiful and easy it is. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos double. Remember, 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha is cos double, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Tan theta is minus 4 by 3. Matlab we are in second quadrant or we are in fourth quadrant. Then sin theta. In second quadrant sin theta is positive. In fourth quadrant sin theta is negative. So 4 by 3. So sin theta may be minus 4 by 5 or 4 by 5. So let's see the options. Yes, this is the correct option. 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5. So that was 31. We go for 32. Sin alpha plus beta is 1. Sin alpha minus beta is half. Alpha tan alpha plus 2 beta. You need to find out tan alpha plus 2 beta. Tan 2 alpha plus beta. Better I go for this. Alpha plus beta is definitely pi by 2. Hope you understand. Alpha minus beta is pi by 6 for convenience. It can be 5 pi by 6. Okay, but I go for it. I go for adding both. So 2 alpha equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 6. What is pi by 2 plus pi by 6? This is 3 pi by 6. That is 4 pi by 6. That is 2 pi by 3. So alpha is pi by 3. And as soon as I put alpha is pi by 3, I can say that beta is pi by 6. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 will be pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 will be pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is half. And alpha plus beta. Well, alpha plus beta is pi by 2 plus beta. Beta matlab pi by 6. 2 alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, let me write down alpha pi by 2 only. And plus alpha matlab pi by 3. So this will be in second quadrant. So this is minus cot pi by 6. This is minus minus plus cot pi by 3. You know that cot pi by 6 and cot pi by 3 are reciprocal of each other. So answer is 1. So that was 32. Well, one immediate answer you can say that sin square theta plus cosec square theta is always greater than or equal to 2. So your y here is greater than or equal to 2. In triangle ABC, A is 4, B is 3 and angle A is 60 degree. Then C is the root of the equation. small c, of course. Let me see what is the time limit. Oh, it is almost 1 hour. So આ છેલ્લો એક્ઝામ્પલ બચ્ચાસ, પછી બાકી ના કરીએ. એવી કોઈ ફંક્શન, એવું કોઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા છે કે જેમાં સ્મોલ a સ્મોલ b સ્મોલ c કેપિટલ a આવે? યસ, cos a. what is cos a? b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. So what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. This is 2, b is 3, your c is c, b square is 9, c square is c square, a square is 16, 2 2 cancel, your 3c equals to c square minus 7. So c square minus 3c minus 7 equals to 0. c is the root of very first equation. અહીંયા c square minus 3c minus 7 ની જગ્યાએ x square minus 3x minus 7 બી આપ્યું હોય. હા, careful dears. Okay, मिलते हैं after the break. I'm trying to keep my promise. I'm posting, if you have seen, 4 lectures per day for you people of 12th. કારણ કે તમે મારા છો, તમે જેડિયન્સ છો. You trusted me, you trusted our institute. So now it is my job that I have to be trustworthy. Right dears? It's a question of your JEE and your good set. હું તમને એકલા નહીં છોડું. Once in a week good set lecture per chapter, once in a week good set full course, once in a week JEE full course, once in a week JEE chapter wise. That is my promise. And every Sunday morning good set exam, every Sunday evening good set or JEE online exam for the whole day. Saturday 12 a.m. to Sunday 12 a.m. Done? Astala vastala baby. Bye bye dears. God bless you bachas.